Hello students, I am here with a very important question for your GTU exam of concrete technology, that is define workability and discuss the various factors affecting the workability of concrete. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what is workability? Okay, the property of freshly mixed concrete or mortar which determines ease and homogeneity with which it can be easily mixed, placed, compacted and finished is known as workability. Okay, now let's see the factors affecting workability. Okay, the factors which can affect the workability is enlisted as water content, mix proportions, size of aggregate, shape of aggregate, surface texture of aggregate, grading of aggregate, use of admixtures, time and temperature. Now we will discuss these factors in detail. Okay, so let's start. First is water content. Okay, now how the water content will affect our workability. Okay, as we know that what is workability, workability is the ability of concrete to flow. Okay, it is the property of the concrete by which the mixing, placing, compacting and all the procedures for laying concrete is done within the time. Okay, that is workability. So how water content will affect our workability? So as the in our concrete amount of water is more, that is water content is more, the workability will be more. Okay, as the water content is more, the our paste will be paste or concrete will be able to flow from one place to another. Okay, easily we can complete the all the operations in laying of concrete. Okay, so water content is directly proportional to workability. As water content increases, workability is also increase and vice versa. Okay, next is mixed proportions. Okay, now in mixed proportion we can consider the aggregate cement ratio. Okay, the higher the aggregate cement ratio, the leaner is the concrete. In lean concrete, less amount of paste is available for lubrication of aggregate particles per unit surface area of aggregate, and hence the mobility of aggregate is restrained, that is workability is reduced. Okay, so mixed proportions is or aggregate cement ratio is inversely proportional to the workability. Okay, next is size of aggregate. As we have also discussed this in previous lecture, that the bigger the size of aggregate or coarse aggregate have lesser surface area and less amount of water is required to wet the surface, and less amount of paste is also required to lubricate the surface of aggregate. Hence, for a given quantity of water and paste, bigger size of aggregate or coarse size of aggregate will give higher workability. Okay, next is shape of aggregate. Okay, in shape of aggregate, if we consider irregular shape, okay, rounded shape. Okay, so we can get the rounded surface aggregate will give the maximum workability as compared to the irregular shape. Okay, irregular shape gives the lesser workability. Okay, next is surface texture of aggregate. Okay, smooth and rough texture. Okay, there are two textures of aggregate, smooth texture and rough texture. Okay, so we can say that the smooth texture aggregate have the smooth surface. Okay, so it can easily be roll on the surface. So smooth texture aggregate will give the higher workability as compared to the rough texture aggregate. Okay, next is grading of aggregate. Now grading of aggregate means there are a large variation in the size of the aggregate, means each size of particles are each size of particle of aggregates are there, so that the void of coarse particle is filled with the small size of particle. Okay, so that is if properly grading of aggregate is done, so the workability will be less. Okay, and if it is poorly graded, that is only one size of particle, one size of aggregate is there, so it gives a higher workability. Okay, because there is a void ratio is larger in poorly graded aggregate. Okay, next is use of admixture. Okay, so in admixture we have studied the plasticizer and superplasticizer are used as admixture for achieving the workability. Okay, so which plasticizer is used by us, and in which what amount it can be added in the concrete is depend on it affects the our workability of concrete. Okay, next is time. Okay, now we know that the concrete will stiff after with the passage of time. Okay, so the workability will reduce with the passage of time. Okay, and last is temperature. So temperature is workability is also reduced at higher temperature. Okay, I hope all of you are clear about the workability and factors affecting workability. Okay, thank you.